Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and this is the a walkthrough of the Audible books. It's an Audible books walkthrough. This is the icon for the picture for it. Just a old-fashioned microphone, and with this particular area, it's about Audible books, audio books. So um, we're the same thing, which will be the listings. They'll be in the you just go above or below this video and click to access the Audible books section on health, wealth, and wealth and relationships, and all the evergreen books that'll be available in those categories. So, which I will post on those in those categories. So that's what will be available. There'll be the best books that are available in Audible audio book format, so you can listen to them. That's what that is. The idea of that. Yeah, that's what the idea of that is. So, so that's what this. I'll be putting those together for you. So then you don't have to go through the searching for what you want. It'll be all available there. So in those categories, as long as you're wanting something from those categories, then there'll be some choices there. Probably won't be as great as what was on Amazon, but it'll be a concentrated list. Okay, so if you, like I said, if you want to have a look, then click above and below this video to access those pages. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I will see you again. Bye for now.